Can you run 6 or 7 balls pretty consistently? If so, why can't you run 8? In today's video, I'm going to be showing over 10 different strategies to help you stop choking towards the end of your runouts. To start this video off, let's go ahead and talk about the changes that actually occur when you approach your final ball. All right, this is the setup. The first thing that changes when it becomes the last ball is you tend to want to baby it. You want to make sure the ball will go in and it's not going to be thrown off course, and you don't want the cue ball to scratch. You don't want the ball to rattle in the pocket, so you baby it. You're excited. You've already run 6 or 7 balls and you're on your last one, or you're about to get shape on your last ball, and you don't want to mess this up. And you're treating this last ball like it's the last ball, and that is the issue. You need to treat it like every other ball that was on the table when you started that run. Let me go ahead and show you what I mean by babying it and how it can throw it off course. I'm gonna put a little bit of left, so that, or a little bit of topspin, and I'm just gonna hit this super soft. Oh no! Let's go ahead and put a little bit more smoke on it. Just a simple stun shot when we're confident. We're confident. The cue ball still didn't roll anywhere bad, right? And we were able to make the shot. A couple other things that do change when you're on your last ball or about to get shape on your last ball is your mind. You start thinking about winning and not so much as about just like potting the ball. Woo. Another thing that'll change is your decisions. You start overplaying position, or you start not thinking long enough on the tougher decisions because you're like, oh, well, I've already made 5. I'm super confident. This is what I want the cue ball to do, and it will do that because I've already done it. That's not the case. In my opinion, simple is always the route to go. If it's not simple, you messed up somewhere along the way, or your opponent really got you hooked. If you can keep it simple, it's nice. Like right here, I could really hammer this 14 ball into the side with a lot of top right on the cue ball, send it into the rail, and then bring it back over here for the 3, because the 3 is on this half of the pocket, right? You don't need to. It's still makeable with just a little bit more of a cut. You can control the cue ball from this position. I didn't need to overcomplicate things to get the perfect shape. I'm just trying to hit the ball into a pocket. Okay, let's throw a couple more out there. Let's go over the next section here. Here are some different strategies that you could try to implement in your game to see what works for you regarding your runouts. The first thing we're gonna focus on is your confident stroke. We're not gonna baby it anymore unless we absolutely need to, but more often than not, you don't. So let's just go ahead and say we're gonna play a confident stroke like we have on the last 6 or 7 balls, because now it really matters. Don't overpower it. That's not what I'm saying. We're just going to be so confident that we're not accidentally like tapping it or jabbing it. We're going to play a solid shot through our shot line and make sure this object ball is going to stay on the path we want it to. Another strategy that I've seen is super popular is planning for the next shot. Let's just say we made that 1 ball. Boop. We've made this 3 ball. Cue ball comes up here. And now we have a almost straight in shot on the 8. I am on the 8 ball. It's in the side pocket. Maybe I have something against being on the rail, or have something just with the knuckles on the side pockets themselves. So in my head, I'm thinking about all these possibilities. And I'm like, okay, hold on. This is the last ball. Oh no. What makes this shot different is the fact that there isn't something you're playing position for. So let's go ahead and play position for another ball. And yes, you could imagine a ball in another pocket, but we could also do, if your opponent has balls on the table like I do here with the stripes, play for one of their balls. You've made the last 6 or 7 playing position with the cue ball. You're taking your mind off of this being the winning ball, and you're focused on your next shot. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this 8 ball in here, and I'm gonna follow the cue ball so that way I get a good shot on the 13 into this corner. What? Hold on. I won the game. I don't even need to play it. What? I'm going to go ahead and play the 9 in the corner, get shape for the 13 in the opposite corner, and then play for shape for the 8 to go here. Let's go ahead and get this run out going. And I'll be able to show you guys the next strategy that I've come across. Now I know I'm on the 8 ball. It's not quite dead straight. If I actually hit it dead straight, I'd probably hit the knuckle here. But let's go ahead and take an active reset. What I mean by this is let's go back and talk to our buddies real quick, or get a drink of water, kind of walk around the table, look up, remind ourselves where we are, why we're playing the game. Our adrenaline's super high. We're super stressed out about this 8 ball. Doing this will allow you to kind of ground yourself, take a second to breathe before you go into this high pressure situation. Now that we've calmed ourselves down, we can get down on our shot and focus on making this 8 ball like it's any other shot. This next one, I'm sure if you're watching this video, you've already heard this a bajillion times because it is repeated everywhere by everyone I've ever known. When it comes to playing pool, everyone says you need to master your pre-shot routine. And that will remind you that the 8 ball is just like any other ball. It literally is. It's just a different color. And I do that with every single shot. And I'm still trying to learn it. It's not perfect, but you will see this very often. A couple other strategies that I've received and I've researched is keeping your tempo. If you're on a roll and it takes you 10 seconds per shot, go ahead and keep that roll. Go ahead and run 8 balls in less than 2 minutes. That's awesome. Great job, right? Make sure you keep the same routine, but that's just like another strategy. Don't change your tempo and see what that does for you. Another tip or strategy for you is figuring everything out before you get down. So that means your tip position, your angle, your speed on the shot. You want to think about all of this before you get down, so that way when you do get down, that you're thinking about one thing because you've already thought about everything else. All right, this one's kind of a 2-part. Simplify the shot and accept the miss. What's gonna happen if you do miss the shot? And is this the easiest thing, the easiest shot you could do right now, or is there something else to make it even easier? For example, I need to make that 4 ball and then also make this 1 and the 3 if I'm solids. Let's go ahead and put top spin on the 4. Cue ball hits the rail here and comes back out. Then I get straight in on the 1, if not I'm on this side of the object line. So that way the cue ball will come up and then I'll have a shot on the 3. Doable, but that first shot isn't guaranteed. I might overroll it. I might add a little, my angle might be wrong and get right behind the 15 after coming up off the rail. But there's this 3 ball that's straight in. And because of that, I'll have a pretty straight in shot on the 4. And then because of that, I'll have a pretty straight in shot on the 1. Let's go ahead and simplify it. There's no reason that we need to make it more complicated by adding extra spin and angles when we don't need to. Let's go ahead and think about the miss. If I miss this, it's gonna be because I hit the knuckle on the 1 here, and it's gonna come back out and hopefully land right in front of this pocket again. If I do that, the cue ball has to come down this side of the table at any point. Probably, like I said, it's gonna be a softer hit, so it's probably gonna come in this general area here. Is that the best miss? It's not a bad one. That's okay. The 1 ball's not that far away, and because you've accepted the miss, and because you've simplified the shot, you might have just given yourself another opportunity to get back at the table and do it again. After all of these strategies, the reality of it is that there is still 1 or 2 balls left on the table. You do have to focus on how to make those to finish and win the game. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like. Be sure to subscribe as well for more content on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Trent on the Break. Peace.